Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Now today we're going to talk about, you know what, just a moment. I can barely see. I'm going to clean my glasses really quickly. Now the reason why I'm cleaning my glasses is to prove a point. Now when you clean your glasses, what happens? And you start cleaning them up and all that glass all starts to become clean and you can see clearly. When you start to clean your life, just like clean my glasses, you can actually see more, you can feel more. Because, for example, if I didn't clean that lens on this camera, it would be fuzzy and you wouldn't be able to really, couldn't focus because it would be fuzzy. Same as my glasses. It's the same as life. When we start to clean our life, the lens of our life, and start clearing away some of that clutter and start to see more and brighter, things start to shift. So just think about your life and all these grimy things that are in your life, all these messy things that are not serving you. Things start to shift. You start to see more. You start to see more happiness in this world. You know, if you're always seeking and always seeing negative, just like the dirt and specks on my glasses, it's like that old saying, you're looking through a lens of your glasses that are all fogged up. You can't see anything. So things start to really get cleaned up. And this is the cleansing and cleaning process that we can do with our life. So clean your glasses of life means yourself. And these glasses here are ourself. If that makes sense to you, just like this tissue will clean my glasses. It means giving gratitude, means love to the world, love to your neighbor, love to your family, and caring for them in a deep, deep way. And if things come in your life, negative things, or things that have not, make you feel uncomfortable, start to clean those away. One step at a time. Taking that nice, clean, towel or cleaning process. It's just like spraying on Windex and you start cleaning that glass and that mirror in your bathroom. So clean your life. Start with just sending gratitude towards people. Really start to care for yourself and things start to clean. It works automatically. Because once those negative thoughts that are in you start to be cleansed, you start to be more of a happier and joyful person. So create that in your life. It's possible to cleanse yourself. I know it's possible because I cleanse myself of some of those negative. And you know what I'm going to say is sometimes those negative thoughts come into your mind, and once you have those tools to cleanse them out of your system, and using these tools and understanding why these negative thoughts come in your mind and how to cleanse them right away. You know what? Your life starts to be more abundant, more loving, more caring, and more joyful. So create the joy and the love in your life that you've always wanted. So my name is Stefan Neff. I really want to help people. This is my mission in life. So give me a call at 778-551-0419. And my email address will be in the information or in that intro underneath here. And we'll really connect and we'll really have this great conversation about how you can cleanse your life. So everybody have a great day and create the life that you've always wanted, you've always desired in your life. So everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.